What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Unlimited Hustle here, and I'm back again with another video. I feel like this video is going to be a great one. I have a lot of information to share. Make sure you guys stick around till the end. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make a fortune selling low content book. What I really like about the side hustle is that you're able to make passive income. I'm going to show you guys in 4 simple steps how you can start selling books and make passive income. Every month you'll get a royalty check from Amazon based on the books you sell in those previous months. If you have no idea what low content books are, I'll explain it. So low content books are basically books with low content. So they're planners, notebooks, journals, calendar. You can look at it like a notebook. So, you know, in school, when we had notebooks with basically lines on every page, that's basically what it is. But there are different type of low content books. Like I said, the more books you have out there for sale, the more money you're going to make. There are people with 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 books on Amazon that are making $5,000 a month. With that being said, let's get started. So the first step you want to do is you want to go on to BookBolt. BookBolt is a software I use to create these books. They have everything you will need to create books, design books, do research, and everything you will need to get started. To access BookBolt, you just go to bookbolt.io, and don't worry, I'm going to have a link in my description. You want to sign up for BookBolt. Once you're here, you can start your 3-day free trial. BookBolt is a paid service, but when you get started, you'll be making the money back, so it probably won't even be costing you anything out of pocket once you start selling books. Also, I have a discount code which will save you 20% off your monthly plan. So instead of paying $9.99 a month, you'll be paying about $7.99. So basically about $8 a month, which is not bad. So you just have to enter your name, email, password, and then click next. I already have a plan, so I'm just gonna log in. Once you sign in, you'll be brought to this page. So BookBolt have 2 sections. They have a research section and a create section. The first section we're gonna focus on is research. So this is the section where you'll come to do research on the type of books that are top sellers. You'll be able to research keywords, and also you'll be able to do some research on categories. By default, it's gonna say research, so you don't have to worry about this. And then come to cloud. Once you come to cloud, this is where you'll search to see the top selling booksellers. Let's do top 100 bestseller, and we could do a notebook, journal, calendar, planner. Let's do a notebook, and let's just hit search. This is going to show us the data for the top 100 best selling notebooks on Amazon right now. I'm seeing that there's a lot of animated notebooks, so these have a lot of smiley face with different colors. It gives us the author, publisher, the reviews. The price is $5.99. The BSR number. So the BSR number is going to tell you how it's ranked on Amazon. So the lower the BSR number is, the better it's ranked. And it's estimated that this book is selling 573 copies, which is actually very good. So let's open up this one on Amazon. So composition notebook. This is really good. I like this one. So another thing you want to keep in mind is that when you're selecting your book, you want to see what time of the year it is. For example, right now we are at the end of July, and next month is August. That means it's back to school. These type of composition notebooks are going to be doing well because, you know, kids, I could see a lot of kids liking these type of books because they're very kid friendly. So this is going to be our inspiration for today. This is how the book will look on the Amazon. You want to have a good title because this is going to help you rank. And they also included the type of book it is in the title. So when people are searching for pink smiley face composition notebooks, this will pop up because they included those keywords in the title. So that's going to help you rank better on Amazon. And just like I said, look what it said, start your school year off right. So basically, these composition notebooks are doing well because school season is right around the corner. And this is what we should be focused on. Or it depends on when you see this video. Another great feature that BookBolt have is keywords. So we can just copy composition notebook, the title, and we could go on BookBolt, come to keywords, hit search, and then just hit composition notebook. This is going to show us what people are searching on Amazon. Here you can see the search volume. So for one composition notebook, the search volume is here, Amazon search volume. So this is going to tell you the data, Google search volume, CPC, and competition. You might want to look for a specific type of composition book. That way you have less competition, because if you just put composition notebook, that's very broad, and you're going to have a lot of people that's selling composition books. So, you know, for example, you see how they're selling smiley face composition notebook. You want to find a type of notebook that you want to sell as well. So let's take this one for example. Let's see what this is about. I keep seeing this one a lot. So we're just going to search for this on Amazon and let's see what pops up. And on Amazon, you can sort by bestseller as well. So this is going to give us an inspiration of what we want to sell. You've seen these on BookBolt as well. From my research, it looks like these colorful type of notebooks are selling the best. Now that we have an idea of what type of books we want to sell, we're going to start creating on BookBolt. I decided to do a aesthetic composition notebook because that's what I kept seeing selling a lot. So let's just copy this. Then we'll start the creating process, which is super easy and super simple. BookBolt do a good job making everything simple for us. So we will actually just switch to create. So we hit create and go to BookBolt Studios. The login to BookBolt Studio is the same login you created when you first logged into BookBolt. So the project type is going to be a paperback. Give it a project name, and the trim size, I think we're going to do a 6x9, but let's see what other people are using out there. So this one is a 7.5 by 9.2. The best sellers are your 7.5 times 9.25. So let's go ahead and keep it like that, right? We're going to do black and white interior. And the page count, I think we said what? Page count will be 110. Add a bleed. Once you have that, you just hit create project. It's that simple. I'm here and hit hide cover template. So we don't want to show that no more. And then this is going to be our cover page. This is where we have to be creative and try to stand out. And this is what's going to sell. So you have two options. You can select a cover page color and you could add a image. On BookBolt, you're able to upload your own image. So if you have your own graphic that you want to use for the cover, you can upload it here, or you could use Pixabay or Unsplash. These images are licensed for commercial use, so you don't have to worry about any copyright issues. On Pixabay, you could just come and search for aesthetic. Let's see what they have here. I'm looking for something colorful. So for the sake of time, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this one. And the idea is to create as much as possible. So once I create this one, I'll be able to do this one as well in less than a minute. So that way you're able to test, trial and error, and see which one works. Just click this, and you just want to stretch it so that way it covers all the pages. We don't want to have no white spaces. Once you have your image, you just have to add this part here, right? The first thing you want to do to add this composition notebook, you want to add a shape. Let's go over to elements and let's get a rectangle. And we want to change this color to white to make it more visible. Let's add our text, so come over here and hit this T. Let's come and edit text. Select a font that you like. So after you have your font selected, and then we're going to add those two lines, shapes, and hit line. All right, so we almost finished, y'all. We're almost finished. So now we just need to add a text to the bottom. Let's just go over to text. This will be a regular text. So let's change the font. We need something smaller. We're done with the cover. Now that our cover is completed, it's time to create the other pages. And that's actually way easier because with BookBolt, they already have the templates already created for you. So simply what you need to do is hit page one, hit this icon right here, page template. You have a bunch of templates to select from. I like this one better, so I'm gonna hit this one, boom, and select all, on select, next. So now we are officially finished. Now it's time to download it and upload it to Amazon. This is gonna be how the book look. This is gonna be your cover. On the right side is your front page. This is the back. And all the other pages are pretty the same. Once you're done with your book, you just hit download the current project. Once that's done, it's time to head over to Amazon KDP. So Amazon KDP is the platform you'll be using to sell your book. Amazon KDP. Or you could just go to kdp.amazon.com. and you want to sign into your Amazon account. Before you can actually start creating and uploading your book, you'll first need to set up your account information. Click update now. All right, so this is where you have to come. You'll need to set this up. So you're gonna have to enter your taxing information. If you have a business, you can do business as well. So just enter your corporation information. Once you successfully set up your KDP account, you wanna come back to the main page and then you just hit create. And make sure you select paperback. And now, this is where you enter in all the information for the book. So the title is gonna be Composition Notebook, Wide Rule, and the subtitle, Aesthetic Composition Notebook. Don't worry about series, don't worry about edition number. Your author, this could be your first and last name. Don't worry about this. Description, this is important. This is gonna help shoppers have an idea of what your book is about. So it's good to have a nice description. All right, so we have our description. Make sure you select that you own the copyright and publishing rights. And adult content, nope. And leave this alone. Category. So you want to select a category. BookBolt actually helps you select category. Go over to BookBolt, go back to research, come down to category. Let's do composition notebook. Let's do children book, and let's do this one, art and photography. So we have our street category selected. Make sure you select, this is a low content book. And then next we have our keywords. BookBolt help us with keywords as well. If you notice the pattern, you see that BookBolt pretty much help you with everything. So let's go back to BookBolt, go back to research, and let's do keywords. Oh, we already have keywords. I like this one. And I'm just seeing which one have good search volumes and also which ones I like as well. So now that we have our book information done, we hit save and continue. So let's do publish without an ISBN. We don't need it because this is a low content book. Publish date, we don't need that. And the trim size, we have to select the trim size. So I believe 7.5 times 9.25. Let me double check. So we have that. We want to bleed and select your cover finish. We're going to do matte. Now it's time to upload our book. When BookBolt download the file, it's going to come as a zip file. So first I have to unzip that file. So the manuscript is all those pages with those lines. Then we're going to upload our cover. Once you upload your manuscript and you upload your book cover, you'll be able to see a preview of how your book looks. So hit launch preview, and this is going to show you a preview of how your book is going to look. This will show you what the inside of the book will look like. As you can see, all the pages are the same. Hit approve once you're good. And this is going to show you how much the printing cost will be. So to print each book is going to cost $287. Whenever you sell a book, Amazon is going to deduct this amount of money, and if you click here, you're able to see what the printing cost depends on. But once you're good, you just hit save and continue, and we'll move to pricing. How much money will you charge to sell these books? You don't want to charge too much. You want to make sure you are in the range of your competition. To come up with a price, I recommend using BookBolt product feature. Simply what you do is you come back to BookBolt, on the research you hit product, and then you enter the keyword. So in this situation, we're going to just take the title of the book and we're just going to enter it here, select category, and hit search. And once this comes up, it's going to show you the average price. I'm going to just copy this average price, go back to Amazon KDP, and just punch it in. Once that's done, you just hit publish your paperback book and you're done. Amazon takes up to 72 hours to publish your book, so they have to review it and make sure that everything is good. Personally, I had books approved in a day and a half. You don't have to wait the full 3 days. Once the book is approved, you'll get an email confirmation. You can come over to Bookshelf to see all the books you have created and check the status. You can hit reports to see how your books are doing. That's it for this video. Time to start making money. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. This video took a long time to do, so I would appreciate some great feedback. I really appreciate if you guys could like this video so that way other people can see this video as well.